This way, this way. Bubba, Bubba, Bubba. Bubba, Bubba. That way, that way. Here, here, here. That way. Get him, get him, get him. Quickly, get him, get him, get him, get him, get him. Bubba. Nemo, go inside, Bubba. Go, 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 go. Go, Bubba, go, 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 go. Here, here, here. Go, get him, get him, get him. Good boy, good boy. Get him, get him, get him. Good boy. Get him, Nemo. Go, swim.
Get it, Sparky.
Nose underwater.
Spock. Sparky. Spock. Spock. Sparky, look, baby.
Bubba.
Good boy.
Come here, baby. Bubba.
Good boy. Bubba.
This way, baby.
Sorry for a nice dip. And wacky sounds. Come.
Bubba. Hey, look at the Nemo. Look at Nemo swimming. Oh, now they're going to enjoy it.
I think I'll go get them a
Keep
shell.
pushing him back. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Spot, push him back in the water. He's not going in the water.
No,
Spot put his head, foot on his head and pushed him back inside.
But you ever see when we stole Nemo, Spock will go and bash him. Spock will go and catch him. Go, Spocky.
Bubba, slowly, slowly. Bubba, Bubba, Bubba.
Come here.
Oh, he's a good boy. That's a swim. You let it swim.
Yeah. Unbelievable. Come on, Spock, your turn. You're meant to be the wild dog.
With his
It's
haircut.
small. He's actually just slightly, his
Bigger
body's
than
slightly
Spock,
bigger than Spock. Yeah. Go, Spock. Go, go, Spocky. Go, Spocky, go.
Good
Go,
boy.
Spocky.
Good boy.
I thought
baby.
Spock would be the first one in.
Good boy. Good boy.
On. On.
No, no, no.
You see what he did?